Want a smoother display or longer battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A27 2026? This guide shows whether to enable or disable the 120Hz refresh rate for the experience that best suits your needs. To get started, unlock your Samsung Galaxy A27 to a Z26 and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Display and tap on it. This section contains all the options related to your screen, including brightness, screen timeout, and refresh rate settings. Inside the display menu, locate and tap motion smoothness. This setting allows you to control how smooth your screen animations and scrolling will appear. You will typically see two options available. Adaptive Enable 120Hz. This option allows the phone to automatically adjust the refresh rate up to 120Hz depending on the content being displayed. When browsing websites, scrolling through social media, or navigating menus, the screen will feel noticeably smoother and more responsive. This setting provides a premium user experience and is ideal for users who prioritize fluid performance. Standard. Disable 120Hz. This option limits the display refresh rate to 60Hz. While animations and scrolling may not feel quite as smooth, it significantly reduces battery consumption, making it a great choice for users who want longer battery life throughout the day. After selecting your preferred option, tap Apply at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. The new refresh rate setting will take effect immediately. Keep in mind that enabling 120Hz can increase battery usage because the display updates more frequently. Additionally, when power saving mode is activated, the device may automatically switch back to 60Hz to help extend battery life. And that's it. You have successfully enabled or disabled the 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy A27 2026.